वेलकम इन एग्रोनॉमी एलिस यूट्यूब चैनल। गाइस, आज की इस वीडियो में हम एग्रोनॉमी फैक्ट्स फॉर कंपटीशन विद रिटन बाय राम स्वरूप मीना, संदीप कुमार सिंह, इस बुक का हम चैप्टर सेकंड देखेंगे, दैट इज एग्रो मीटीरियोलॉजी। इसमें टर्मिनोलॉजी दी हुई है। Meteorology is the scientific study of the atmosphere that focus on weather processes and forecasting. Agrometeorology, it is the study and use of weather and climate information to enhance or expand agricultural crops and to increase crop production. Hydrometeorology, it is science that studies the cycle of water. It is intimately to the meteorology, hydrology and climatology science. Agroclimatology, it is the study of those aspects of climate which are relevant to the problems of agriculture. Agroecology, the study of the interrelationship of living organism and organism with each other and with their environment in an agricultural systems. Biosphere, the part of the earth enveloped in which living organisms exist in their natural state. Climate index, a number which condenses climate data into a simplified expression. Macroclimate, the overall climate of a region, usually a large geographic area. And microclimate, it refers to the climate factors in the air near the ground and also beneath the soil surface. Eco मतलब climate, and climate under crop canopy called ecoclimate. Latitude, distance from the equator. Climate is classified based on latitude, tropical, subtropical, temperate and polar climate. Altitude, the height from mean sea level. Temperature and pressure decrease with increasing height from mean sea level. Longitude, the angular distance in degrees, minutes and seconds of a point east or west of the prime meridian. Direct radiation, if the incoming radiations from the sun does not interact with the atmosphere, called direct radiation. In direct radiation, 42% is the PAR. PAR is photosynthetic active radiation. Diffused radiation, if incoming radiation from the sun is scattered in the atmosphere. In diffused radiation, 65% PAR. Albedo, it is the solar radiation that is reflected without any change in its quality. Thermal death point, the critical temperature above which plant gets killed. Thermoperiodism, response of living organism to regular change in temperature. Minimum threshold temperature, the temperature below which no plant growth takes place. Commonly used value of this is 6 degrees Celsius, and growing degree days sum over the growing season of a crop of the difference between the daily temperature and reference temperature. Photothermal units, GDD, growing degree days into average hours of day length. इंस्टीट्यूट्स दिए गए हैं IMD, इंडियन मीट्रोलॉजिकल डिपार्टमेंट, जो कि पुणे में 1875 में एस्टेब्लिश किया गया था, जो प्रेजेंटली न्यू दिल्ली में है. WMO, वर्ल्ड मीटीरियोलॉजिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, स्विट्जरलैंड, 1950 में ये एस्टेब्लिश किया गया था. IITM, इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ ट्रॉपिकल मीट्रोलॉजी, पुणे, 1962. NRSA, नेशनल रिमोट सेंसिंग एजेंसी, हैदराबाद. ISRO, इंडियन स्पेस रिसर्च ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, बेंगलोर, 1969. SEC, स्पेस एप्लीकेशन सेंटर, अहमदाबाद, 1972. IIRS, इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट फॉर रिमोट सेंसिंग, देहरादून, 1966. NCMRW, नेशनल सेंटर फॉर मीडियम रेंज वेदर फोरकास्टिंग, न्यू दिल्ली, 1988. IMO, इंटरनेशनल मीटेरोलॉजिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, Geneva 1873. Agrometeorological observatory should be at a distance of 10 times the heights of the buildings, large trees and mountains. The size of plot for observatory sites should be 60 meter north to south and 40 meter east to west. इंस्ट्रूमेंट जिससे हम मेजर करते हैं, पायरोनोमीटर यूज्ड फॉर मेजरिंग टोटल इंसोलेशन मीन्स इनकमिंग रेडिएशन जिससे मेजर की जाती है. पायरहेलियोमीटर डायरेक्ट सोलर रेडिएशन. स्पेक्ट्रो रेडियोमीटर सोलर रेडिएशन इन नैरो वेवलेंथ. पायरिजियोमीटर लॉन्ग वेव रेडिएशन. पायराडायोमीटर both long and short wave radiation. Spectrophotometer used to measure wavelength of light. Heliograph duration of bright sunshine hours. Maximum thermometer used to measure maximum air temperature during day. Minimum thermometer used to measure minimum air temperature during day. तो इस चैप्टर का हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखेंगे. सो इस वीडियो में इतना ही. थैंक यू.